Alright guys, so if you want to start up a YouTube channel, these are the things you must know. Have it at the back of your mind that you are not going to make money in 2 to 3 months. So that one, I just have to say it now, so that you will not say, Mr. Chris says you start up a YouTube channel and you are not making money. These 2 months, these 3 months, you are not making money. I beg, take your time, watch this video to the end so that you understand what you are putting yourself into. You get my point? Now, number one thing is you getting seen. Now you know that this YouTube, you are just coming, you are a new person, people must see you. Understand? We have creators before you came, so you have to make sure you work, you post videos, and you don't even have subscribers. Zero subscribers is what you have. No views, nothing, you've not posted anything, so nobody is watching your video. YouTube, you only distribute your videos to few people, you get. Now if they watch that video, then they will distribute to more people. Now what I'm trying to let you know is that once you start posting your videos, you maybe 10 to 20 videos, don't even expect to have 1,000 views. So don't even let your mind not even go there. What you should be expecting is between 20 to 200 views. Yes, 20 to 200 views. So now people are seeing you. If you can have 200 views for 20 videos, then you are doing a good job. All you need to do is to move to the next level. The next level is you being consistent. Understand? Now consistency is you posting. Even if you are posting 2 videos per week, it will help you a lot. Or you post one video, just one video per week, it will help you a lot. Now you have to be precise when you are posting your videos. You get. So if you are posting videos on Tuesday, make sure the next Tuesday you post that video. If you are posting on Wednesday, you post the next Wednesday. Like if you're posting once, but if you're posting twice, you can make any day. You can post on Tuesday and Thursdays, or Tuesday and Saturdays. Understand? Not random days. You get my point? But make sure you post twice every week or once every week. That's consistency. Don't skip a week without posting. You get. It must not be 5 videos, it must not be 10 videos. You get my point. I don't want to talk much about that because that one is explained already. Another thing is competition. You need to understand that you are not the only one here. People are here before you. There are a lot of creators here before you came, so you are competing with top creators, people that already have their own team. They have people watching them. So if you are doing something, you are doing what they are doing, you should be expecting less. Now that you are starting, so you expect less. Don't even try to see yourself like them, because some people just feel bad. They feel bad that they are not getting views, not forgetting that they are competing with people, with top creators. You get my point? So that's what I want you to know. Then the third thing is niche saturation. There are a lot of niche that you should not go into as a beginner. Maybe when you grow a particular channel and you are up to, you have audience, then you can switch to another niche, like gaming niche. Understand? That's a popular niche. Gaming niche and finance and blogs, those are popular niches that if you go into those niche, it might be difficult for people to see you. So that's about the niche saturation. You need to find a unique niche on your own. That's why you see some content creators, they will be doing some unusual things online, because people don't do that one. That's what they do, and once they do that one, it will attract people to watch. Understand? You get my point? It's like you don't get my point, so you get my point. So I will be exposing everything for you. So now another thing is skills you do not even expect. There are some things you need to know. Understand? Once you say you want to start a YouTube channel, there are skills you need to know. I wrote them down. Number one is scripting. Now look at the scripting I'm doing now. I had to script everything so that I will know what I'm telling you people. You cannot just stand up and say you want to make a video and post on YouTube without you scripting it, knowing when to do this, when to do this. You cannot just stand like that. You will make mistakes. Understand? So you script everything, have a pen, have a paper or a book. See my own here. See my own here. I wrote them down. So you write everything down so that you'll be able to know what to do, what to say, and how to say, when to say. You get my point? Then thumbnail and title design. See, thumbnail is very, very important. You need to know how to design. You need to know how to create your own thumbnail. Or if you cannot do that, you can pay people to do that for you. You get my point? But thumbnail is something that will attract people to come and even watch your video. Some people don't even look at the title. Some people, they see the color, the designs you make, then that will even attract them. Then they come and look at the title. Oh, what is it all about? Then they will click and watch that your video. You get my point? So thumbnail is very, 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 very important. So you know how to create thumbnail. These are the things you need to know once you say you want to begin a YouTube channel. Another thing is editing, like caption. You need to, all those b-rolls, guy. Even if you don't even know anything or you don't know much, just know a little about editing. You know how to capture, because as a beginner, you've not made money yet though. So you don't need to really pay much on things. And I'm just telling you the honest truth, else you will get tired, you will get frustrated. So know a little editing. No matter the niche you want to go into, know a little editing. Understand? Like those b-rolls, know them. Know how to add your name, your title. You get my point? Thumbnail. Those are the things I'm telling you about. Then another thing is analytics. Analytics. Some YouTubers, some beginners don't even know that there is something called analytics on YouTube. That one, if you need to learn how to read your graph. You get my point? You need to learn how to read your graph. Then you know the kind of video that is moving forward in your channel, and you continue doing that. If you start posting video, like you post like 10 videos, you will see one particular video that will be flying. You will see one particular video that you'll be getting views. Then you can try to repeat same, not doing the same thing, like trying to create something similar to that. You get my point? Another thing you need to know is being confident once you are on camera, because some people do shake when they want to make video. They don't even understand what to say. They will be like, as in, I don't know how they feel, but the confidence on making videos is not there in them. So you have to be confident. Make sure you know what you are saying. Don't start shaking your mouth and be shivering as if somebody forced you to go and do it. You get? So you make sure once you are on camera, just act as your normal life. Say whatever you want to say. Understand? So that is just it about being confident. You need equipment too, depending on the type of video you are making. If you're making even any video, you need equipment. There are some videos you don't really need tripod. You all know that I design, yes, I edit videos very well. So you need a tripod depending on the type of video you are making. So if you are making comedy videos, you might not really need a tripod. Understand? I'm not saying you won't need it, but you might not really need a tripod. So you need equipment, a better phone. Sometimes you might have a good phone, but the speaker is not good. You might have a good camera, or you might have a good speaker, but the camera is not good. So you need a good phone. So now another thing there is mental strategy challenges. Now that one is a comparison trap. It happens to almost everybody. Comparison trap. You will see that you'll be posting up to 20 or 40 videos, you will not see views. Or you will be posting videos, or you will see somebody, you say, I started a YouTube channel 3 months ago. I just cash out. I don't cash out now. YouTube don't pay me $200. Then you yourself, you are doing something very great. Understand? You are putting more effort and you are posting videos, doing, in fact, but you have not gotten up to 200 subscribers. You've not gotten up to 100 subscribers. You've not gotten up to 50 subscribers. You feel bad. Honestly, you feel bad. So that's what we say, comparison trap, because that alone will weaken you. Once you see somebody coming out to tell you they started like 2 months ago and they are making money now, and it is something you started like 5 months ago, you will feel weak and you feel bad. That is what I'm telling you. Have it at the back of your mind that you should not feel bad. You should not be weak. You should not just feel less of yourself because you are doing your best to. You are doing your best. YouTube will recognize you once it wants to recognize you. There will be one video that will make you blue. Understand? Handling hate and criticism. See, you will start posting a video now. Maybe you know you don't really have a good camera, or your speaker is not too good, or maybe the type of content you are doing, people don't really like it. You will see somebody coming to your comment section and be telling you that you are posting rubbish. That alone can weaken you. Somebody will come to your comment section and tell you, what kind of camera are you using? Go and look for something else and do. It's not for you. And those kind of words, you should know how to handle them. You should know how to respond to them, because YouTube, the kind of AI YouTube plants on the channel, so that you'll be seeing what you are doing. If you respond anything negative or any bad comment, they can flag you. If you insult anybody, they can flag you. So you must be very, very careful on what you say. Now, staying original is something very, very important. Try to be original. Even if somebody posted a video and you want to recreate that video, try to add something on your own. Just be yourself. Don't say word to word. I know making content is not easy. You might be out of ideas and you decide to pick someone's idea to create, or you watch a video, you want to try to regenerate that same video. You must not say word to word. Try to make your own original content. Try to be original. Make something unique. You get? Now, another thing you need to understand, my people. Once some people come to YouTube because they want to make money, I will say like 99% comes to YouTube because they want to make money. See, to monetize, no be choice. You get my point? It takes time. It takes time. It's not something you will start today and tomorrow you say you want to cash out. It takes time. I will just have to let you know. Just do it and forget about you monetizing it. Create your content, do everything necessary, do everything right, and put your mind out of monetization till when they call you, when they invite you, when they send you an email. Oh, you are due. You get my point? Understand? So at the same time, once you want to start a YouTube channel, please don't quit your job. Don't quit your job. Oh. If you quit your job, you will regret it. You will regret it. Oh, because the first 1 year you are starting, you will not see money. You will not see money. I'm telling you. All you need to do that first 1 year is just to keep posting. Money is not coming because you are not yet monetized. Now, let me shock you. You cannot just make money immediately. You need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you start making money. And even when you get to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, it's not automatic that they will start paying you. You need to apply for the partnership program. You need to do some certain things, which I will still make you understand in my next video. You get my point? You need to follow due processes and keep posting till once everything is done, then you start making money. So you can give yourself 1 year. I'm telling you, give yourself 1 year if you want to start a YouTube channel, and make sure that niche, like I said, is not saturated. So guys, I will be making a lot of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. So stay tuned on this channel, and if you are getting value from what I'm telling you, just do well to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, or if you have any challenge on your YouTube channel, you can still let me know. I'll put you through. You get my point? So you might say, what about video editing? Guys, we are still on it. Just that I don't really have time to create videos. Understand? So please, let's just use this to grow our channel, and I will be posting videos here, if not twice, at least once every week, for all of you to be watching. So if you love Mr. Cray, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So I don't want to waste much time. See you in our next video.